Hello everyone and welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be discussing on the question pertaining to the ones that we see come in the test of mathematics examination. So we'll take a look at the questions in general and try to identify what are the questions that are asked, and we'll take a look at the approach involved towards solving this kind of question. So let's see the question first. The ratio of the area of the triangle ABC to the area of the triangle whose sides are equal to the median of the triangle is. Okay, so basically we have two triangles, one triangle ABC and another triangle whose sides are equal to the median of the triangle. So now let us consider an equilateral triangle of side equal to A. So therefore area, say let us name the triangle ABC. Okay, so therefore triangle area of triangle ABC will simply be uh, root 3 by 4 a square, that is the area of the equilateral triangle, and median will be given by root 3 by 2 a. Okay, now if we are to say the triangle whose area was formed by the median, that would simply be the area of the same would simply be, so area of triangle formed by the median would be given by, so we'll again assume that is an equilateral triangle as well. So what is that? So will be 3 by 4. So in place of a, what we're going to be using is root 3 by 2 a square. So this in turn will give us root 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 a square. Okay, so if we further solve the same, it is 3 root 3 by 16 a square. So now we have our two triangles, first being triangle ABC, which is the original triangle, and the second being triangle which is formed from the median. So now if we are to compare both this triangle, so say triangle ABC to triangle, say I'm naming a new triangle, it will simply be root 3 by 4 root 3 by 4 a square by 3 root 3 by 16 a square. So if we take a look at the ratio, a square gets cancelled, root 3 gets cancelled, 4 4s are 16, so the result comes out to be 4 by 3. Hence option C here, this is the answer. So this is a very easy question in general. All we had to do was simply we need to know that for an equilateral triangle, let me just highlight the formula here so that things are clear to you. For an equilateral triangle, area is given by root 3 by 4 a square, where a equal to the side, and also median, which will be again equal to the height, because for equilateral triangle the median and the height are the same, so that will simply be root 3 by 2 into the side. Okay, so if we just take a look, so let me just give you explain to you how this comes as well. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle A and A, so I have the median over here, and this is we know it is root 3 by 2a, so therefore area will be given by half base into height, base being a and height being root 3 by 2a, so it is 3 by 4a square. So this is how this entire thing comes into being. So hopefully all the things are clear to you. So in case you are having any difficulty, kindly go through the question and try to go through them as many times as you feel comfortable, and try to solve the question on your own, so that you can get a fair bit of idea how we came about with the conclusion of the same, or how we came about solving the same. So that's it. If you like the video, make sure like, share and subscribe to the channel, so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. And with that said, I'm signing out. Thank you.